Hello guys, let's speak about Mars in 7th house of horoscope. Just to remind you, what is 7th house of horoscope in everybody's horoscope? It's partnership. Usually we are looking at this house as a house of marriage, okay? But actually it's not only marriage there, yeah? It's about important partnership in your life. It's business partnership, it might be best friends if they're together the whole life or whatsoever, it might be like colleagues if they are working for a long time together on the same project or whatsoever. Anyway, it's important people for partnerships. This is 7th house of horoscope, and when we are looking at horoscope, what kind of energy we are looking at other people, what people are attracted to us. We are looking at the sign where cusp of 7th house of horoscope, where house of horoscope begins. Also, if it's not only one sign but another sign is starting in this house, yeah, sometimes even 2 or 3, it depends on geographically where you are born, yeah, and the size of the houses can be different. What I'm saying, not only characteristic of the sign on the cusp of 7th house of horoscope, but the other signs are also important, because the energy of this signs, characteristic of them, yeah, there will be the feature of character of the people who are attracted to you on magnetic level or whatsoever. And yes, planets in this house are also important, because they are playing your attitude towards partnership. Then they might play scenario how these partnerships might be developing, yeah, or they might be describing the features of characters who are your partners or will be your potential partners, okay? So today, just particular thing I want to discuss: Mars in 7th house of horoscope. I have been already recording on this exactly position of this planet, but today I just want to look at absolutely every perspective. What can it be? What scenario of partnership can it be if you have Mars in 7th house of horoscope, and how people are taking you, I mean, on energy level, if you have Mars in 7th house of horoscope, and what kind of features of character will be attractive for you when you are choosing your partners in life. So this is 7th house of horoscope. Okay, Mars in 7th house of horoscope will show that the person of the horoscope is interested in people who are with Mars characteristic, who are quite brave, quite bold, believe in themselves, energetic, optimistic, honest, open, yeah? They don't hesitate before acting. They are showing initiative in quite a bright way, yeah? Without any hesitation or playing around or whatsoever. They are direct, yeah, in showing what they want to do, and they're not hesitating, they're not planning too long, they're just acting, they're heroes, yeah. Also, if we are looking at Mars and about characteristic of the body, because Mars is your sex drive and is your physical force. So the person who has Mars in 7th house of horoscope, people who are with kind of not developing muscles or whatsoever, won't be interesting for him or her. People who has quite a muscled body, toned body, who are physically strong, yeah, and who has enormous sexual drive, or at least good sexual drive, yeah, they will be attractive to this person, yeah, for this person. But we have to check, is it female horoscope or male horoscope? If it's female horoscope, yeah, so Mars in 7th house of horoscope will show what kind of man she will be looking at, yeah. Man who is initiative, who is strong, who has fantastic body, who has this honesty and this readiness to act and showing initiative. This kind of man, very energetic and kind of hero, but in male horoscope, Mars will also show the girl what kind of girl he would find attractive for partnership, yeah. But of course we are not maybe sometimes looking at a big muscled body, but it's her personal characteristic as a leader, as a fighter, that she can make her own decisions, that she is independent, that she can stand for her interests, that she can fight for what is important for her, yeah. Not just like sitting and waiting somebody will protect her whatsoever. No, he loves the girls who can protect themselves and standing for what important for them, interests, even fight if it's needed, you know, something like this. So this woman's supposed to be optimistic, honest, yeah, quite sincere, and with, yes, good toned body. And also the most important thing, that she is doing everything, you know, in active way in household or whatsoever, and good in bed as well, energetic, plenty of energy which is sparkling from here. Well, the only thing is Mars can be in some signs of horoscope not strong position or whatsoever, yeah. That would mean that people might show the other side of the same qualities that we were talking about Mars. For example, about being you know, assertive, self-assertive person, yeah, like believe in yourself and act without thinking sometimes, yeah. This is the other side of this. Sometimes people are not just self-assertive, people can be arrogant, and this also is Mars characteristic in 7th house of horoscope. I mean, you will attract the people who might be arrogant and might be sometimes even aggressive. So we have to be very, very vigilant about this position. We have to look at this Mars, what the sign it's in, strong position or weak position, what aspects of the horoscope, yeah, and what house it's a ruler of, you know, where Aries in your horoscope. It can be absolutely anyway, yeah. It might be in 1st house of horoscope, it might be 2nd house of horoscope, etc. The house of horoscope which will be connected to Mars, yeah, because Mars is the ruler of Aries, will be also important, yeah. Also, what other sides of the Mars can we look here, yeah. For example, the person in good way of showing Mars will be, I'm ready to make decisions for myself, and I'm not hesitating in making decisions. I'm quite, you know, quick in this. The other side of this is like, I'm making decisions and I don't care what others are thinking, because my decision is the right one here, and nothing to discuss here. That's it, I decided. So this is not a very good side of Mars either. Do you see? Also, Mars in good way, yeah, he's always helping others, he's always ready there to help, like a hero, helping everyone, saving everyone's lives. It's fantastic. But the other side of this might be like, people are not guarding their own interests, they just helping, and others, they just using and abusing your time without you know, even thanking you for this or whatsoever. So sometimes you might get the partner, if you have Mars in 7th house of horoscope, who is helping everyone, yeah, but he's never there for you, because all his time and all his energy is eaten up by his friends who are just using and abusing him, like asking him for help or whatsoever. Anyway, you see, Mars can be very, very tricky in 7th house of horoscope. There are good stuff from Mars in 7, yeah, that your partner will be strong one, always trying to help, you know, brave and everything, yeah. But from another hand, it might be a little bit, you know, maybe he's arrogant, maybe he's even abusive, or someone else is using his help, and there is no one partner for you there who help there for you. Well, but the utmost naughty thing about Mars is, it's our irritation, okay? It's our physical force, and it might be working like Your partner might show his abusive side to you if you have Mars in 7th house of horoscope. So you have to be very, very vigilant and talk about borders here, yeah? What is allowed in relationship, what is not allowed. You are trying to put everything in order before jumping in relationship. If you have Mars and 7th house of horoscope, it's very, very important there, you know, because sometimes people you know, wow, you wanted me to be brave, you wanted me to be strong. What you get, yeah? Sometimes he's strong not in good way, you know, sometimes it's just like too much. No, you know. What else? Again, it's not only characteristic of your partner, but sometimes it's your own energy as well. What scenario you are instigating, how your relationship are developing. You know what I mean here? For example, if your partner is not enough man-like, if we are looking at a female horoscope, yeah, sometimes she is pushing him on aggressive side because she has Mars in 7th house of horoscope. What I mean, your partner might be too polite, too soft, too I know, considerate, maybe hesitating, maybe planning too carefully, yeah. It's not enough of man-like qualities in him, that he is brave, that he is, you know, acting without thinking, just quicker, saving other people without hesitation, etc. So sometimes she is picking on him, yeah, in order to try to drag him into irritation, to some aggression side, so he's showing his real male kind of characteristics, you know. So again, Mars is very tricky because first of all, you might attract real abuser, yeah, who is not putting your interest anywhere at all, only him. Secondly, it's you who will be the nasty one who is pushing your partner into aggressive side because he's not man-like in your mind. And thirdly, again, it might be the way that people, I mean, if we are just talking neutral stuff, it's not your characteristic, I mean, girl, yeah, if we are talking about girls horoscope and it's not the partner's characteristic, Mars can show what kind of energy will be in your marriage or in your partnership. And Mars is all about quite, you know, being irritated, being over competitive, being even sometimes angry, yeah. So what might be the scenario developing this? Without any reason, you are still feeling angry about your partner, yeah. For example, doesn't matter what kind of partner is, he or she might be faithful, might be really soft and loving and caring and this and this and this, beautiful, and everything is good, but still something is there what is irritating for you and you can't explain this. This is what Mars in 7th house of horoscope, you see, because Mars is your irritation. So to have Mars in 7th house of horoscope needs a lot of attention, yeah. First of all, in choosing your partner. Secondly, putting the borders, what is allowed, what is not in the relationship, what is appropriate, what is not. And thirdly, you must find a way how to burn this Mars irritation somewhere else, not in partnership. For example, you are playing sport, or your husband is playing sport, or being active somewhere. Maybe it will be he's active at work and he's burning this masculine energy at work, yeah. I mean, maybe his physical work will be fantastic because Mars is physical, a lot of energy, yeah. Oh, he's shouting on someone at work, being aggressive, I mean, doing conversation, arguments, disputes, negotiations in aggressive way, telling everybody what to do, bossing everybody around. This is good. Let him burn his Mars somewhere else at his work. When he's coming home, no bossing around, no aggression, no telling everybody what to do or whatever, and no being, you know, macho here and deciding the disputes in physical way, okay? So it's better you are burning your Mars energy outside of the house, okay? Or second way how to deal with this. You are burning this Mars energy together with your partner by dancing together, making sport together, refurbishing your house non-stop together, doing something physically together, and a lot of sex is a must, because Mars is sexual drive, and doesn't matter is a female horoscope or male horoscope. It's still Mars, which is responsible for our physical forces and physical juices and sexual drive capability at all. Yeah, this is Mars. So, hope you heard me well. Yeah, you see how astrology can wisely advise about this and that and that. Because I know the couple, it's fantastic couple actually. Yeah, the partner, male, is absolutely great there. I mean, he's polite, he's clever, he's caring, he's loving, he's faithful, everything is there, yeah? But the girl is always, hey, he's not man-like, he's not doing this and this and this. So because she has Mars in 7th house of horoscope. So in her image there, yeah, he's supposed to show his muscles and to behave like a man, yeah, bossing around, you know, showing his physical strength, etc., you know, kind of like a macho, aggressive side. So she is always picking on him, or trying to push him on aggressive side. He's not man enough or something like this, you know, and this is awful, this is awful. And also she said, when we were younger, we were dancing together, and then we fell in love, and then we were absolutely fantastic together. And you know why? Because this Mars in her 7th house of horoscope was burning proper energy when they were dancing together. So at home already, they just like a sweet couple without any aggression, irritation, because Mars energy is already burned somewhere else. So it would be fantastic if this couple is having this sweating together somewhere, either in gym, either in a dances class, either whatever they're doing physically. Maybe they're hiking together, and this is really, you know, like energy consuming stuff, etc. Or cycling, or boxing, or kickboxing, or whatever. So burn this energy of Mars in productive way. That's what astrology is for. Wise solution for all your hiccups in horoscope. And in every horoscope, there are some pluses, there are some minuses. There are gifts from universe that you can use wisely, and there are big hiccups which can destroy actually your life, you know, if you are not using this wisely, if you are not putting this energy in constructive way, in proper direction, or even in professional way. That's what astrology is for. If you want to learn astrology, go on my YouTube. There are videos for free, absolutely, on everything astrology, how to read your natal chart, how to see compatibility, how to make your own prognosis. Everything is there in 2 languages, Russian and English. Just choose your playlist. In section playlist, just choose a playlist in English, and all the videos divided by the topics, yeah, either natal chart, either relationship analysis, either individual prognosis. So learn astrology for free. And if it's too much, too long, just ask consultation from me, and there are examples of consultation on my YouTube. Oh, by the way, in TikTok as well, now short astrological lessons plus tarot advice for every day and monthly prognosis for every sign of zodiac. Just entertaining you guys. See you later. Astrology Marina McGrath. Have a good day. Bye bye.